Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Game Shears is probably one of the most important tools for any hunter, offering unparalleled versatility and efficiency in field dressing and butchering game. From cleanly processing your harvest to ensuring a safe and sanitary process, a high-quality pair of Game Shears can significantly elevate your hunting experience, making the entire process smoother, faster, and more manageable, ultimately leading to better use of your hard-earned game. Number 5. Camillus 9-inch Game Shears. These heavy-duty shears are perfect for various tasks, from dressing game to everyday cutting needs. Its versatility makes it a must-have tool for hunters, anglers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It's not just scissors, it includes a bone notch, bottle opener, wood saw, nutcracker, and even a screwdriver. All packed into one convenient, durable tool. They come with a protective sheath to keep the blade safe when not in use. The sheath also features a belt clip for easy carrying. The blades are made of titanium-bonded stainless steel, 3 times harder than regular stainless steel. This ensures exceptional durability and sharpness. These shears measure 9 inches overall, with a 4-inch blade. Camillus Cutlery, a trusted name since 1876, guarantees quality and reliability. For over a century, Camillus has been crafting exceptional cutting tools. These shears are a testament to our commitment to quality, innovation, and durability. What we like. It boasts titanium-bonded blades for exceptional durability and sharpness, and it's a multi-tool with added features beyond just cutting. The included sheath ensures safe storage and easy portability. If you need a versatile, long-lasting tool that's easy to carry, this is the one for you. What people say. The construction is excellent, the blades are sharp and the Kydex sheath secures the shears perfectly. Sharp, well-built, many features. Works great cleaning doves. They seem to work really well, nice and sharp, and the quick breakdown capability is really nice for cleaning. I like the multifunctionality too. The sheath locks them in nicely and they won't fall out when shaken upside down. Number 4. Outdoor Edge Game Shears. These shears are perfect for field dressing your game. Its durable design makes quick work of even the toughest tasks. It effortlessly cuts through birds, small game, and fish. Experience the ease and efficiency of a superior cutting tool. They feature a serrated cutting edge and a bone-breaking notch. The 420J2 stainless steel ensures lasting sharpness and durability. With a 3.5-inch blade and a 10-inch overall length, it's perfectly sized for various tasks. It provides excellent reach and control. These provide a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet or cold. Your hands will stay safe and comfortable during use. We stand behind the quality of our products. Contact us if you ever have any issues, we're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. Its spring-loaded design reduces hand fatigue during extended use, and the serrated edge makes quick work of tough materials. The non-slip grip ensures a secure hold in any condition. If you value comfort and efficiency in your game processing, this is the perfect choice. Number 3. Outdoor Edge Game Processor PR1. This 12-piece hunting knife kit has everything you need for processing big game. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, even in the field. It includes 4 full tang knives, a caping blade, gut hook skinning blade, boning and fillet blade, and a Bowie-style butcher blade. Each is razor sharp and built to last. Beyond the knives, it comes with a wood and bone saw, a V-sharpener, rib spreader, game shears, carving fork, cutting board, and cleaning gloves. Everything you need for a complete job. The knives feature comfortable, non-slip TPR handles and strong, rugged 420J2 stainless steel blades. They're designed for all-day use without fatigue. Outdoor Edge is committed to quality. It's built to provide the best tools for every hunter, without breaking the bank. With its hard side case, this kit is ready to go wherever your hunt takes you. It's the ultimate solution for efficient and easy game processing. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides all the tools you need for complete game processing, from field dressing to butchering. The full tang blades offer superior strength and durability, and the hard side case keeps everything organized and protected. If you're looking for a complete solution for big game processing, this is the ultimate kit. What people say. This game processing kit is all you will ever need to process wild game in the field or even process your own home-raised meat animals. The knives come out of the kit super sharp and ready to work for you, so be careful. The kit comes in a hard plastic carrying case, which keeps your knives together and keeps you safe when toting them around. The handles have texture as well as formed grips to prevent slippage during use. Cutting through moose hide will dull a knife quicker than trying to slice open a train rail, but the sharpener brought the razor edge right back every time, and with only a few swipes. The boning saw delivered as promised, cutting easily through the sternum and pelvis. The gut hook made slicing through the mesentery and linea alba a breeze. Number 2. Old Timer Outdoor Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for any outdoor adventure. It has everything you need for field dressing and processing your game. It's built to last with stainless steel blades and comfortable rubber handles. You can depend on it to perform when it matters most. The included case keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Transporting it is a breeze. This kit includes everything from a bone saw and gut hook to various knives, perfect for any task. It's ready for any challenge. You get Game Shears, bone saw, gut hook, caping knife, boning knife, fillet knife, butcher gloves, and a sharpener. It's got you covered. We stand behind our products. This kit is covered by our lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It's a complete kit with all the essentials for field dressing, conveniently packed in a portable case. The lifetime warranty provides peace of mind. If you want a convenient and comprehensive solution for your field dressing needs, this kit is a great option. What people say. Holds a good edge, strong rigidity, good assortment to get them cleaned and in the freezer. They feel like really great quality knives. I use them on field dressing, game meat and skinning. They hold an edge well and they also sharpen fairly easy as well. They are lightweight. Number 1. Old Timer Trail Boss Knives. These knives are built for the outdoors, combining durability and convenience in one package. They're perfect for hunting, camping, or everyday carry. Its blade is made from high-carbon B2 stainless steel, ensuring it's tough enough for any task. The serrated edge and bone-breaking notch make quick work of even the toughest jobs. The TPE rubber handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even when wet or muddy. It also features a finger guard to prevent accidental injuries. It has a spring-assisted opening for easy one-handed use and a safety lock for secure storage. Plus, it includes a handy bottle opener. The custom-molded polymer sheath keeps it safe and secure, whether it's on your belt or in your pack. It's the ultimate multi-tool for any outdoor adventure. We stand behind our product with confidence. It comes with Old Timer's lifetime warranty, ensuring years of reliable use. What we like. It features a safety lock for secure storage and spring-assisted opening for effortless cutting. The durable sheath provides protection and convenient carrying options. If you prioritize safety and ease of use in your hunting tools, this is an excellent choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.